racing channel. We have a really special episode for you today. We're back with Larry from Drag International, and as you can see right behind us, we have a minty R34 GTR. And this episode is even more special because this is without a doubt gonna be the highest horsepower and fastest R34 GTR that I've ever ridden in. And all the way turned up, this RB makes over 1100 all-wheel horsepower. Let's check it out. Let's go ahead and start it up first. Oh man, this feels right. Man, this interior is so clean. Can't expect any different from Larry and Drag International. She lives, boys. Woo, this thing sounds so good. Let's give you a little walk around here. Wow. This might just be one of the cleanest RB engine bays I've ever seen. I mean, I'm not too surprised because Larry's Supras, we'll actually take a look at a couple of them over here, but Larry's Supras are the cleanest out there. So I didn't expect any different, but wow, would you just look at it. I believe that the 7685 turbo will confirm, but this thing is just a monster. I know it runs probably north of 40 PSI. Just wow. Such a clean car. Nismo wheels. That white is just perfect. And would you just listen to that? Now that's some JDM muscle right there. What's up, Larry?
What's up, man?
How you doing, man? This thing's crazy clean. God damn. God, the way this thing sounds, the way it looks, I'm getting butterflies already. I cannot wait to freaking ride in this thing. And of course, coming to Drag International, we have to show you some really sick Supras, so let's check it out. Whew, man, that color though. I'm pretty sure Larry trademarked that color because this isn't the first one he's built with this color profile, and boy does it look good. Look at that, got the race car peeking out right here. Roll drive, radial import, record, all sorts of stuff. 2J Sylvia, clean FD, look at that. Just JDM heaven over here, guys. All right, guys, time to go for a spin. Let's do this. Oh, dear Lord. The sound of this thing, man. I'll tell you, the battle will be never ending with 2J or RB, but god damn, does an RB sound so good.
King Kong. A little bit of boost on the wastegate.
What are you doing down there?
Get a little TRC approved boost.
Yeah, buddy. And I don't have to wait any longer in this feature. This thing is 1000% TRC approved. I mean, will you just listen to this thing? This thing is mega clean.
Oh, don't forget we got ice cold AC.
Oh, ice cold AC.
Yeah.
What are we doing? Let's roll these windows up. So it's the original 6-speed trans?
Yeah, 6-speed Gettin. A triple XCD clutch.
Triple. Yeah, the drivability on those is really, really awesome.
You know, like factory.
Now you just hear this thing screaming, bouncing off the walls there. Hey, this thing f***ing pulls, bro.
Yes, sir. Almost make me think I'm in my race car.
So it's a little different from when you take me for a ride in the Supras.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.
Because with the Supras, with the Supras, they make all the power, and once you get it fourth, they just hook you to the seat. This car from the get-go, second gear, whatever you're hitting it in, it doesn't matter.
Plus we don't spin as much.
Exactly. This thing is it hazes the tires, but it's not blowing the tires, you know. like a freight train and I mean, it was getting dancy, even with the all-wheel drive.
Is it TRC approved?
You're gonna get a whole bunch of stamps on this one. Jesus. Literally all smiles. There's nothing you can do between just the symphony of RB sound and just the way this thing sticks you to the seat. There's just no other feeling, man. It is next level, man. You absolutely killed it.
TRC fans, what's up? Larry here, Drag International, also known as Cash is Fast. Well, today we're not talking about 2Js, we're talking about 2001 V-Spec 2 R34 GTR. Just got finished, just came off the rollers yesterday, doing a nice video with my boys from TRC, and it got the TRC approved. Customer came by, he said he wanted a 1000 horsepower Skyline R34. Like, no problem, we figured it out. Sat in my shop with my guys, Andrew, called my tuner, tuned by Lance, my wire guy, my fab guy. He's like, this customer wants this is what we're gonna do, A, B, C, D. Ordered some parts, got it over here, built a 1100 horsepower Skyline. He wanted 1000, we gave him an extra 100 horsepower. He could do whatever he wants with it. Motor is RB26, just got a brand new block, a brand new head, N1 block, pistons and rods, Manley Turbo Tough CP pistons with better pins, better bearings. We got the Nitto oil pump in there, brand new crank. And TC, my guys from Toasted Engine Concepts, they did all the machine work. My good friend that, you know, sponsors my race car, also with some of the porting work, porting solutions. He did a nice port job on the head. So we have pretty much hand ported, 2.6, some Tomai cams, pistons and rods. Nothing crazy, it's not a stroker. It made 1100 on the dyno. Yesterday at the rollers, first we made some pump gas adjustments. We made 640 on pump gas at 22 pounds. So that's a 7685 Gen 2. The car's never going to be really driven on pump gas, so we changed it over to Flex Fuel E85. By the time we were pumping it out, we didn't get enough good content. We only had about 70% E85, so it's pretty good enough. It made 38 pounds of boost. It made 1098. We turned it up to 43 pounds of boost. The Precision 7685 Gen 2 Turbo. As always, AM Electronics on all the street cars. Tuned by Lance, my go-to guy. All the fab was done by Brian Extreme. He does all the fab for all my cars. JR Wine did all the wiring. Tuck harness has a set of Platinum Racing coil packs. Radium fuel system. Pretty much that's it. Has a full racing turbo manifold and a hypertune intake. As far as the oiling, which RB's has a lot of problems with oiling, we did the Nitto oil pump spline drive, and I extended the oil pan to make it take like 9 quarts of oil with a Grady oil cooler kit. Oiling is not a problem. We have plenty oil pressure. We have no issues with that. We're running a factory tranny for now. Has a XZE triple S clutch. Dry shaft shop. Shout out to them boys. Tad, my boy, he hooked me up with axles and dry shaft, all that good stuff. So we have full dry shaft shop drivetrain on there. Still stock tranny, but it's a get rack, so holds a lot of power. R35 brakes all around. Car was painted at my shop. My guy Jason did all the paint work, flawless work. Pretty much that's it. Car's beautiful. Has all the Nismo Z-Tune fenders and bumpers. Simple, clean, white, runs perfect. That's pretty much pump gas 600, E85 1100. I think it's gonna be crazy. You're gonna see in the video. It was a wild ride and we didn't even turn it up all the way. So customer's gonna be very happy.
All right, Sam the man, ready to do this?
I don't know, I hope so.
This is your first ride in what, a big power, over 1,000 horsepower RB?
Yes, 100%.
All right, well, as an R32 RB owner, you're in for a treat.
Yeah, I think so, man.
Have fun, man.
Thanks, buddy. Oh, yeah. Man, it sounds so good. see my chiropractor when we finish this. Good God, that one got me.
Gave him the ride of his life. How was that, buddy?
Unbelievable.
It's a crazy experience, isn't it?
Literally life altering for me because I'm gonna have to figure this whole Skyline thing out right here. I mean, the tires are spinning, but it's still going in a straight line, you know? It's not tracking all over the place.
Badass
It's
experience.
insane. The sound, the feeling, the inertia, it's unbelievable. The car's from 2001. You know what I mean?
All right, so moral of the story is we both need to turn up our Skyline.
A little bit, I think so.
Well, I need to get mine running first.
Yeah, I didn't turn mine up.
Man.
Dude, unbelievable, thank you.
Well, this customer is kind of picky. He wanted everything. He has a lot. He has a 32, a 33, a 34, and a 35. So the reason why he brought me the car is the way I do my Supras. You guys saw the videos. We take it down all the way to the bone and start back up. So we did the same thing with this car. We took it all the way down. Everything came out and we give it a nice fresh paint job. Everything's brand new moldings. The car build took not too long, you know what I'm saying, probably about 3 months, 4 months. The longest thing was the paint job. While the car was being painted, we had the motor being built and, you know, get everything being set up. I didn't mention the car has a Tomai exhaust. Nissans and Tomai, I think they're like husband and wife. A Tomai exhaust sounds the best on a Nissan car for some reason on the RBs. I have one on my Supra, it doesn't sound as good on the RB. Just want to thank all the guys that was helping on this build. Andrew, most of all, he was like the brains guy behind it, because while he was thinking about this, I was thinking about my 2J Cass's Fast Slayer. So he was doing all the mathematics and figuring out what we need to buy. He did all that kind of stuff. So I've given Andrew a whole bunch of credit on this build. Tuned by Lance as usual. He just, you know, Lance, what we need. We need ABCD, we get it done. Wireman Jr., he's my best. JR Wiring Solutions, anything you need. As far as wiring goes, you can see, you don't even see the wire harness in the car. He's 100% top of the line. Brian Extreme, Fab is always on point. All our cars look the same because we take a lot of pride in that.